So and they can glam, so and they can dance celebrity. So hey guys, hey Glammies, what's up? How are you doing, my beautiful glams girls outside? Hoping you're doing good. So today I'm so excited because the video gonna be so bomb. But first, if you are new here, my name is Karbglam and welcome back again. If you got some quiet time here, continue watching because this is the kind of videos we enjoy so much. Today I'm gonna be reviewing not just one but two amazing ponytails. So yes, this is the company insert name here and it is so trendy, so boom. So I'm gonna be making a review for you and a little tutorial how you can slay that celebrity look. So saying all that, I want to give a huge thank you to the company insert name here for sending me those amazing products so I can make me review and share with you guys. So we're gonna see if these were the hypes or not. So in saying all that, this video is not sponsored and my opinions are not my own. So if you're interested, just gonna jump into it. Yes guys, you know me when I'm on Instagram and social media and I hear too much about a product like it's so trendy, I want to put my hands on it and I say, oh, I need to test it, I need it, and I wanted to try this amazing product. So I'm so blessed that the company reached me and I can do this for Joel because a lot of Joel had told me that you wanted to see those kind of videos, okay? So this is how the product came. It came in a recyclable package, 100%, which is amazing. So if we're gonna open here, we got our pony. So this is how it came. I love the packaging, of course. It's pink, it's satin, it's glam. It has the company logo here, so it's perfect to keep and storage your pony after use, so you avoid to get like tangling and all that kind of stuff. So it's perfect. So I had to mention that this company have an amazing custom service. So if you don't know what color match perfect in your hair, you just send your picture and they help you to find the real shade on my hair. So in my hair I didn't know what color to, so I sent the picture and they sent me this color, and the color that I'm using is jet black. So of course sometimes you can miss whatever color you want, if you want like this or if you want to use your right color. So let's don't talk no more, let's gonna be open. So it came in his bag. It came protected in this bubble so they avoid tangling. So and this is Miss Lola. It came like this. Is so beautiful, soft and thick. It came as well with this little scrunchie. It came as well with this beautiful satin scrunchie, and it came as well with these two strong bobby pins to wrap it. And this is the second ponytail we're gonna be testing, and this is Miss Maya. You see it's straight and it's super long. It comes like this as well with the two bobby pins and the scrunchie as well. So that's the two ponytails I'm gonna be reviewing for y'all, and I can't wait to play with them. They're so amazing. And this is Miss Lola and this is Miss Maya. So this is like short vintage look, and this is like long, more Ariana Grande style. So let's gonna jump into it. So yes, we're gonna start with Miss Lola. Is a pretty cute ponytail. So I love because they make it with Japanese synthetic fiber mix that looks super natural, any shine at all, and they super thick, look like real hair, guys. Literally, if you could see, they look super amazing. So the length is 17 inches long, which is perfect. So I can't wait to try it. So I'm gonna do my ponytail right now. So I got my ponytail already, and you can tell my hair is longer than this because I have a long hair. So what I'm gonna do to cover it is I'm gonna make like a bump maybe, And let me tell you that this bomb gonna help you to rise up as well your ponytail and look more glamorous, you know. So it's amazing as well. So now let's gonna do our edges. If you want to do your edges, you know, of the style of the vibe, so you're gonna take you brush, a toothbrush that you don't use, new. You're gonna take your favorite silky smooth edge. I'm using the Olive Miracle, and this worked really good for me. And I'm just gonna style a little bit, just if you like. You're gonna need gel, or you're gonna need more of this to pull off those hairs back. So now to pull out ponytails, it's again like I'm gonna be showing you. It's been like a velcro here, velcro, and they designed this inside. They have like this comb here and the velcro. I put already the bobby pins here. Okay, now let's go to the applications. I want to mention that the application on these ponytails are amazing, easy, because I got problems in the past using the one just say in the beauty supplies. Oh my god, they're so heavy and all the time falling. So this is perfect, easy. We're gonna put these three things here. You see at the beginning of your hair, and then you're gonna pull all your hair together, and you're gonna try to put the velcro together, and this part you're gonna be doing this all around, and you're gonna take your bobby pins and you're gonna make secure. So you see how soft it is. You can put your fleece out or inside, whatever is your favorite look. Yes, voila, you see this is stunning to me. You can put sun spray and you're ready to go. Look how glam is this look. I look like vintage retro vibes. So looking glam. Looking damn celebrity. But it looks beautiful. Let me know down below what you think about this look. This is the look number one, and see how thick it is. It's super thick, and even my hair is long, you know. So even if you have long hair and sometimes you want to rock short hair, so it's amazing. Insert name here not just sell ponytails, they say like hair tools, they sell wigs, they sell all that kind of stuff. We need to try to get those celebrity glam looks, you know it. So now let's gonna try our Miss Maya. So now we're gonna be using a Miss Maya, and you see this is a long strand ponytail. It's 24 inches, and you can notice any texture here, but you just pat your flat iron and that disappears. Let me tell you, the color is perfect for me. So again, this is the little trick to put a bun to get a high glam ponytail. Put the combs here. Put the combs here. Put the velcro together and secure, and then covering the velcro with this little wrap here. That is always super easy, and it's not heavy at all that it gonna fall, nothing like this. You're gonna make secure with your bobby pins, and that's it, literally super secure. So we're gonna brush it. Look how pretty it looks like. Boom. I feel like Ariana Grande. Ooh, ooh. So you can put highest, you can put medium, and you can do slick looks. So yes, if your hair is short, this is a must-have. Or if you just need volume, perfect. So yes, I love having sleep in a sleep. I think this is as well a perfect style for postpartum or lazy days when you don't have your hair done and you just need like boom 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 done. Because to me, I'm always lazy to do my hair. Make waves on straight my hair on lazy days. So this is a mom to be look as well. So let me show you another style really quick. You can dress a different style with this Maya ponytail. You can braid it and look like Kim Kardashian's, Kylie Jenner's look, and look so bomb. Next look, we're gonna make in a sleek ponytail, and we're gonna feel like Kim Kardashian in those days. Sometimes I like really on a rush and I just need it, so all you're gonna do is make a wave here. You can make in all the center, or you can make a side sleek ponytail, whatever you preference. I think I look better in a side ponytail, but some days I just like to do like this. This style is super easy, guys, and you just take your scrunchie and you're gonna wrap your hair. As you can say again, my hair is so long, maybe I don't need, but I just need more volume. So here is my Maya again, and we're gonna do the same. We're gonna just put the comb in the middle, put the velcro together, save the velcro, this is important that you save, and wrap around. This just takes like less than 5 minutes. Look how gorgeous. Look how gorgeous, guys. And easy is to rock this Maya ponytail. Ooh, ooh. This is one of my favorite looks ever. Ever. So, yeah. Guys, finally I'm gonna say my thoughts about insert name here ponytails, and I think they're amazing. They did pass the hype. They're so trendy, they're amazing, still good quality, easy to wear and everything. So I in love with all the styles that I feel like I don't have favorites at all. If you are interested in purchase, I'm gonna leave the link down below, and you can use my code Karbglam and get you 10% discount. Of course, all my girl gonna be getting it. They have international shipping as well if you're interested. So definitely, you want to know more ideas how to style and rock your amazing ponytails, you need to follow it in my Instagram. I'm gonna leave down below. So guys, that was everything for the videos today. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for more great content. So see you the next time. Bye.